Welcome to Arabic Zouk. Today we will learn Arabic personal pronoun genitive case possessive. Today we will learn singular for first person, my in English, and in Arabic ya. In English your, or in Arabic ka. Ka for masculine and K for feminine, your. Her in Arabic and in English his. Ha in Arabic and her in English. For example, my name is Ahmed. Ismi Ahmed. What is your name? Masmuka. In English your, and in Arabic ka. What is your name? For feminine ke. Hada qalmuhu. This is his pen. For his we use in Arabic hu. Hada kitabuha. This is her book. For feminine. In English her showing possessive position, and in Arabic we say ha. Hada kitabuha. This is her book. In Arabic the pronouns are dual. For example, darukuma, your house. Kuma used for dual, male or female both. Plural. Na in Arabic our. Example, our house darna. Your. Plural masculine or mixed in Arabic kum. For example, your house darukum. Their masculine in Arabic hum. For example, their house daruhum. They feminine in Arabic hunna. For example, their house daruhunna.